You see a price tag of $599 for a brand new washer and dryer combo, and your first instinct is to look for the hidden catch. Xiaomi just dropped this massive appliance in Singapore and Malaysia, and honestly, the numbers on the spec sheet feel like a heavy flex. We are looking at a drum that handles over 10 kilograms for washing and 7 kilograms for drying. That is a lot of laundry for such a small footprint. The body is slim enough to slide into those tight condo cabinets without a struggle. But let's talk about the big 99% hygiene claim. Usually, when a company says their steam program kills almost all bacteria, I roll my eyes. I assume it is just internal marketing fluff. But this time, they actually brought receipts from third-party labs. They have certifications from major international testing groups. They are putting their money where their mouth is with a 12-year motor warranty. That is a massive commitment for a machine at this price point. It signals a level of confidence that you usually only see with premium heritage brands. But wait, we have to talk about the laundromat because this is where the fantasy hits a brick wall. If you stuff that drum to the limit, you cannot just press a button and walk away. You can only dry 7 kilograms at a time. This means you are either washing smaller loads or you are pulling out half of your wet clothes and waiting for 2 separate drying cycles. This is not just a Xiaomi problem. This is a universal truth for every single combo unit on the market. Whether it is a luxury brand or a budget one, the physics of drying just take longer in a shared drum. Industry tests have shown these types of machines can take over 3 hours just to dry a standard load. Think about that. If you have 4 loads to do, you are looking at 10 hours of your life tied to a machine. That is basically a full-time job. For a big family, that is a nightmare scenario. But if you are living solo or as a couple in a tight city apartment, the trade-off starts to look different. Space is the ultimate luxury in a small home. Having one machine that does it all, even if it takes its sweet time, is better than having no dryer at all. You just have to be honest about your habits. Are you the type of person who does one small load every few days? If so, this is an absolute steal. It is sleek, it is certified clean, and it fits where other machines won't. However, if you are a power user, you might want to think twice. There have been whispers about door lock durability in previous generations of these machines. It is a pattern to keep an eye on. You are essentially trading raw speed and heavy-duty volume for price and convenience. It is not about whether the machine is good. It is about whether your lifestyle matches what a combo unit can actually deliver. If you have a dedicated laundry room, go buy separate units. You wouldn't be happier. But if you are fighting for every square inch of floor space, this might be the most logical purchase you ever make. You just have to know the rules of the game before you start the first cycle. This machine is built for the urban dweller who values a clean aesthetic and a low entry price over high-speed throughput. It is a specific tool for a specific life. Know your laundry volume before you commit to the hype.